How to see device login in Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings and privacy. And here, from the account section, click on account center. And from the account settings section, click on password and security. And on this page right here, from the security checks section, click on where you're logged in. Then from the accounts section, select Instagram. And here you will be able to find all of your device login in this page. As you can see, at the top you have the current logged device, and at the bottom you have the other logged in devices. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and check your device login on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.